Welcome to Canadoodle Toy Reviews.
We're going to the fun house.
Yes, we are.
Wait, go. Where do we go? You know where to go?
This way, this way.
Go, 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 go. Look at the mirror. When we get through the rope gate. The rope gate. Holy. Hudson, stand on there. Stand on one. Holy moly. Hudson, look at Daddy. Holy moly. Is it spinning? Okay. Oh. Keep going. Woo! Are we done?
This way.
Careful. That's it. Was that fun?
Yeah.
It was super fun.
Hi, buddy. What ride is next?
That one.
The slides?
Yes.
Let's go.
Let's go.
We're at the slides. Does it look fun, buddy? Oh, there goes the train. Wow, good job, buddy.
Take. Yeah.
Hey, buddy.
Mommy.
Hi, Jack Sparrow. Hi, Daddy.
Hi.
There's the train. Good job. Hey, buddy, what you eating?
This.
Fries and a cheeseburger?
Yeah.
That looks pretty good.
And this.
Are you guys staying for a while?
Juice too. And we got a baby here. And Daddy, what are you eating?
Slug fries.
Slug fries and chicken burger. Looks good.
Oh, stuff on it.
It's got stuff on his.
Yes, yes.
I'm eating a chicken burger too.
Hi, sweetheart.
And mushrooms.
What's on there?
Salad, mushrooms, and potatoes.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yours is just plain though, huh?
Yeah.
Plain cheese?
Yeah.
Did you just burp?
Yeah.
What did you say?
Excuse me.
Good boy.
We're done at the fair.
Are we done?
Yeah.
Yeah. That was fun though, huh? What was your favorite ride?
The fast wheel. You want to see more? By the quiz card. Bye.
Bye! Bye, Captain Jack Sparrow.
Bye.
Show us that R. Go. R.
Penny. Please click on these videos with more Canadoodle Toy fun.